What's cracking? Hopefully not your back. Now listen, how to buy XRP in the US. This is a step-by-step guide. Disclaimer though, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. And if you're interested in buying XRP, a special type of digital money, there is a simple way to do it. XRP is used by people around the world for fast payments, and some believe that it could become even more valuable in the future. So the best way to buy XRP in the US is through a website or an app called Coinbase, okay? This app is easy to use and trusted by many people. First, you'll need to create an account and add some money, like using your bank account or a credit card, all right? So then you can search for XRP and decide how much you want to buy. So once you buy it, you can store it in a safe place called a wallet. And another good option is Binance, by the way. This app is also very popular. It gives you different ways to pay. Some people like it because it has lower fees than other apps. So just like Coinbase, Binance lets you buy XRP and keep it in a secure wallet, okay? So you got to remember though, buying XRP can take time, but with patience and smart choices, you might just be on your way to something big in the future, all right? So leave me a like, leave me a comment, because as you know, we get what we give.